guys, did a little bit of work inside the van today. I skipped the whole oil change thing because it was just so cold and miserable, and it's raining a little bit today, so I thought I'd do some more work inside the van and wait until it gets a little bit nicer to get the generator running. It was so cold I said I'll get my trusty space heater, the electric space heater that I took to California and heated my other van with, and then the space heater broke. So much for that. I took out this rack section that was in the middle right here. I thought I would skip ahead and get to the interesting part for you guys, which is taking off this counter, which is going to give me a lot of extra room and take out some weight and also help me get into areas of the van that I couldn't get to before. When in doubt, use a hammer. How did they get it in here? It seems like this is going to take a little bit more force. Oops. That's one way to do it, I guess. What do we got left here? Looks like right in the middle there's a steel frame surrounding the generator and the battery area. The water tank has a steel frame, and then the rest of this is just panels screwed together. So let's start taking out some of this. I just have no idea how they got some of these cables through here. Sorry to say, we've had our first casualty of this van rebuild. So I pulled out the cabinets right over here. And behind the cabinet, I had seen a little bit of evidence of mice. And sure enough, there's the mouse nest, all the shredded paper towels and grossness. And back there, behind the cabinet, there's a mouse. A completely dead, practically mummified mouse, but it's still a little bit on the gross side. I don't even know which direction is front and which direction is back. He's probably been in here a long time, so I'm gonna sweep this stuff up and Lysol the floor. We'll just clean it out a little bit. Got a lot of progress taking out the shelf and the desk. There's going to be a lot of room, so I think for now I'll let you go, and I'll do a little bit of cleanup now that I've gotten all this stuff out, and we'll come back and get to the next phase of the project. See you guys.